Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to go through question 1 of exercise 18F, and I'll be going through it by hand and then also with the CAS. So it says a particle moves in a straight line so that its position x centimeters relative to the origin at time t seconds is given by x is equal to t squared minus 12t plus 11, where t is greater than or equal to 0. Find its initial position. Well, I know that the initial position occurs when my time is 0, so when no time has elapsed at all, so when t is equal to 0. So what that means I'm going to do now is I'm simply going to put that into my equation that I've been given. So I'm going to get x is equal to 0 squared plus 12 0 plus 11, which means x is going to be equal to 11. Now it's important here that we actually write down what the initial position is and just not leave our answer like this. What we're going to say is that the initial position is 11 centimeters, because they've told me that x is in centimeters. And then importantly, to the right of the origin. Because my number here is positive, I know it's to the right of the origin. So if we can picture what this looks like, if I draw a number line, this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is going to have to be a bit longer. And this would be -1, -2, -3. We know that the origin, and let's put the origin in orange, so that's the origin. It's a bit confusing because the origin looks like the 0 there, but it's the origin. What we're saying is that the initial position is 11 centimeters to the right, because I got out that positive 11 there, so it would be over here. This would be my initial position. So that's kind of in our head what we're thinking about. We're thinking about it in relation to the origin. It's not just x equals 11, it's 11 centimeters to the right of the origin. All right, let's come up here now and answer the next part, which it says find its position at t equals 3. So this is going to be very similar. What we're going to do here is say, well, let's just sub in t equals 3 into our formula here. We're going to get x is equal to 3 squared minus 12 3 plus 11. X is going to be equal to 3 squared is 9 minus 12 3s are 36 plus 11. And then we might want to just tidy this up a little bit. How could we tidy this up in the most efficient way? What if I just went, what's 9 plus 11? That's going to be 20. And then what's 20 minus 36? That's going to be -16. So that means, and we have to write this in a sentence again, the position when t is equal to 3 is 16 centimeters. Now here's the important part. To the left of the origin O. So remember, it's to the left because I got a negative out here. So it's really important that you kind of differentiate between, if it's positive, it's to the right, as you can see there. If it's negative, it's to the left of the origin. So again, if we wanted to picture this, we can come down here. I'm now all the way over here at -16 now. So that's kind of in your head what you're thinking of when you're answering this question. Remember, when you're doing these questions, you should have your CAS nearby you, just to kind of help you, not help you, but you should have all these skills with your CAS as well. So if I can just bring this here for a second, how could we answer this question on our CAS? Well, we'll go add calculator. There's different ways we could do this. We could just go x is equal to t squared minus 12t plus 11, and then I could go control this, whoops, sorry, not that one, control this such that t is equal to 0, and then when I do that, I get x is equal to 11 out. That was part A. And then if I wanted to do that again for part B, if I'm using my CAS, you'd be crazy to type that all up again. Just go up, hit enter, bring it down, replace that 2 with a 3, and you get negative 16. It's really good that you become proficient with your CAS, and even for these simple questions, it's important that you can do things on your CAS quickly and efficiently as possible. Hopefully this helps you with question 1 of exercise 18F. I'll see you in the next video.